The 600 Longtail is McLaren's most aerodynamic and agile track weapon from the Sports Series lineup. I'm Darren, and welcome to our All Access vlog. With a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V8 mid-mounted engine that pushes out 592 horses through a rapid 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox, this car was designed to push the limits on a racetrack. It has a 74mm longer bodywork that is engineered to be 96 kilograms lighter than the standard 570S, and yet manages to provide an additional 100 kilograms of downforce. It's quite a marvel. This particular 600 LT was brought in to correct a number of imperfections from a previous Detailing Express pre-cut paint protection film installation that did not deliver its intended promise. When the car came in for our team to assess, we found numerous blade cuts that had damaged the bespoke McLaren Special Operations or MSO paintwork known as Amethyst Black. Many sections of the pre-cut PPF did not provide sufficient stone chip protection, resulting in more sections of the paintwork that were damaged. We began by repainting several panels of the damaged MSO paintwork and matched the patina for an even, uniform finish. We then began with our signature detailing program, which starts from the exterior, working its way to the interiors of the car. The paintwork undergoes a multi-stage paintwork correction and refinement process. This process is specific to each vehicle and allows the program to be as precise and effective for your car. It is designed to emphasize the clarity and shine of the bespoke Amethyst Black paintwork to achieve its maximum brilliance before a hybrid ceramic coating system is applied and cured via infrared lamps. The coachwork detailing expands to the undercarriage, wheel wells, suspensions, brakes, and calipers. A combination of dry ice blasting, which uses -78-degree ice pellets to subject the contaminants that were previously bonded to the coachwork components to thermal, impact, and expansion shock, paired with steam cleaning and manual detailing work, ensures that the vehicle looks absolutely perfect. The 19 and 20-inch ultra-lightweight forged wheels were also detailed and treated with our hybrid ceramic coating system to resist brake dust and road contamination, allowing for ease of wash. We then moved to the interior, where the carbon black and burnt orange Alcantara upholstery was put through our Alcantara treatment system, which is designed to clean and protect the synthetic material against premature wear in our tropical weather. In order to protect the freshly detailed and coated Amethyst Black paintwork, we custom wrapped the car in ClearGuard Alpha paint protection film. The PPF features a patent-pending plasma memory system that reacts with oxygen to heal instantly when lightly scratched. Designed for gloss finish paintwork, the PPF also more than doubles the shine of any gloss finished car after installation. Our custom fitment also allows for the PPF to cover the panels from edge to edge, giving our clients complete coverage. For this 600 LT, some of the lower sections of the car featured double-layered PPF protection as requested by the owner for even tougher durability, with some sections of the car featuring the latest development from Prestige Film Technologies' ClearGuard Alpha 10, which is 25% thicker than ClearGuard Alpha for added protection and also comes with increased gloss and hydrophobicity. For ultimate comfort, our flagship high-performance tint Spectre PhotoSync IRD was fitted to protect the cabin and its passengers from the immense tropical heat. Spectre PhotoSync IRD has the highest UV rejection rates of any automotive tint in the market. It is backed by a limited lifetime warranty against performance degradation, giving you unmatched performance reliably day after day. As the final touch, our Pro Kit screen protector that's made in Germany was fitted to the McLaren 600 LT's navigation display system to prevent scratches and incidental damages. If you need professional care for your brand new supercars, you know where to find us. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, goodbye.